little friends. Welcome to the Xekids.
Hello friends, welcome back to the Xekids. In today's video, we will teach how to draw a cute doll. First, we will draw her feet, then her legs, then neck. Now we draw the circle of big face. Then we draw the strands of hair. Her eyebrows, her cute eye. One eye is open and the other is closed. Then her smile lips, draw frog, and her one hand. Draw another hand, then design its frog. And finally, draw his magic stick. It's done. Ready.
If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like, share and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.